Hey everyone, welcome to Discover Newman, our portal to help you discover what the university can offer at a time to suit. You can access information on our courses across our foundation, undergraduate and postgraduate pathways. We have fantastic presentations about the opportunities on offer, and you can ask questions of our staff. Not only can you explore our courses, but there is also content on hand from our support services. Whether you need to find out more about student finance, are apprehensive about the admissions process, curious about our accommodation offering, or want to find out more about the Students' Union, then we've got it covered. You can also take a virtual tour of our campus. This will help you to get a feel for our facilities before hopefully you can come and visit us at some point in the future. If you want to chat with our current students, then we have student ambassadors available via our UniBuddy platform. They can talk not only about the courses they study, but also about their experience of the university application process and life at Newman. If you'd like to request a copy of our new 2022 prospectus, then you can also do this via the Discover Newman platform. Have a great time discovering Newman, and we look forward to engaging with you here again very soon.